G'day, local news for Friday the 24th of February. The search is on again for New Zealand's best rural general practice team of the year as judged by the community. The award, now in its third year, will be announced at the New Zealand Rural General Practice Network's National Rural Conference in Wellington at the end of March. Last year, the award was won by the Martinborough Medical Centre. The winning practice will receive a prize up to the value of $1,500 and the winning nominated will receive a prize up to the value of $500. A Marsden man who caused a neighbour's cat to die while hanging by its leg in a leg hold trap was sentenced Wednesday. The Marsden District Court. Ross Dorian, 55, pleaded guilty to 2 charges: using a restricted trap in a contravention of the Animal Welfare Order 2007, and ill-treatment of an animal, causing the animal to suffer unreasonable or unnecessary pain or distress. He was ordered to pay $1,500 in fines to the SPCA, $500 in emotional harm to the owners, as well as vet and legal costs. And today is the final day of the New Zealand Aerobatic Championships at Hood Aerodrome. Pilots from all over the country have been competing this week in 6 categories, ranging from primary to advanced and recreational, in the hope of taking the spoils. For Wairarapa TV Local News, for MoreFM, I'm Brent Gare.